let's look at yo, yi, and o, yo. It's an ancient Manchu word for yue. Okay. And then we look at yo at the beginning. For example, yo. This is for this Chinese character. It's a leader thousands of years ago. It usually goes as yo Han. So this is Han. It's a Mongol word for the highest leader, like the Chinese emperor. All right, so another example, yo ni, yo and ni. This is n and yi, ne yi ni. Yo ni is all, both. Okay. So this is a yo at the beginning. Let's say yo in the middle. For example, xiao shun, hi, o, xiao, double O's, usually for translating the Chinese characters. Okay, for example, this is a xiao in this case. All right, and shun, shi, wen, shun. It is obedient. So xiaoshun is filial piety. Okay, so you can see yo in the middle. So yo in the end, for example, ayo, ah, and yi, and o, ayo. Ayo, it means I am afraid, like fear or be afraid of. Okay,